Hey ForexMilitia, Preston here. I improved on the TMS 5 method as far as I can see. I still haven't learned how to trade it right, but let me show you what I did. What I did was I changed out the TDI to the TDI divergence plus alerts. I also changed some of the settings. Let me show you what I did here. See, I changed it from the regular TDI to the TDIRT alerts and divergence, which is also on that forum. But I changed this here. Normally, this is simple. I changed this to smooth, and I traded it like that basically by when the RSI price line went above the baseline, this yellow line, I entered, and you can see where I would enter. And then another addition was I added the Waddah Attar Pivot. Let me show it to you. This right here, Waddah Attar Pivot. And that is like my exit. So with that improvement, let's see what the results are going to be for the year of 2010. Okay, ForexMilitia, gear up, we're going in. Hey, check it out. Okay, this is the improved TMS Trading Made Simple 5 method that I created. I did a little strategy doctoring, and it came up that much better. Let me just show it to you real quick. This is the curve. As you can see, it's going up. This is the 30 trades, a 2.28, profit factor 56.67, and if I can show this to you on the Quant Analyzer 4, the original Trading Made Simple 5 method only made $204 for those first 3 months. The improved method made $1,294.37. Alright, 30 trades on the improved, 33. The accuracy was 42. The improved method is 56. So all the way, it's much better, stabler, profit factor is higher, drawdown is a little bit, just a bit higher. Look at that, it's just a little bit. But I will continue to test this, and let's get on to the next 3 months. Well, okay, looks like we hit a bump in the road on April to June 2010. 720. As you can see, the graph basically is going down. The report has it a loss of 720.50, profit factor 0.61, 36 trades, 30% accuracy rate, and the losses 444 are bigger than the wins, 49 bucks, 10 times. So with that, let's check it out on Quant Analyzer, and we see that this is coming out to be a 28, I was about to say 40, a 28.84 loss for the yearly. Now, in the regular version, in the unimproved version, it only lost $569. So in the improved version, I lost more. So that doesn't look good. A loss in April, a gain in May, a loss in June. On this one, on the original, a gain in April, a loss in May, and a loss in June. So the I took more trades on the original and less trades on the improved. There was a better win rate on the original and less, it was better, just better. And as that looks, that's it. That's it for this phase 2 of the improved version. On to the next phase. Okay, here is phase 3. This is from July to September, and it didn't turn out good either. This is the improved. I tried to improve it some, and it didn't turn out that fantastically. So let's see something else. Let me bring up the TSM backtest for July to September. July to September. There you go. Bring that one up. And interestingly enough, this one actually did worse than my improved version. Let's see. So let's see. This did minus 417. This did $8. So that's not quite good. All right, let's look over some of the metrics of this, some of the results from the report. And that is 43 trades, drawdown of 519, accuracy rate of 39%, 3 losses to 2 wins, biggest profit 325, biggest loss 577, consecutive losses that is. The biggest win was 204, the biggest loss was 577. Profit trade $80, loss trade $68. So there you go. Oh, here it is. Largest win 325, largest loss 106. So once again, even with the improved right now, the way how I'm trading it, I'm still taking a lot of losses on chop. Back here, as you can see some of the points here, you can see here and here and here that I'm taking a lot of trades in this chop. And something that I know from the strategy is they avoid this chop. They have a method where they avoid this chop. So I am going to have to continue to try to work it a little bit better. As of now, the my improvements don't seem to be working so well. Okay, on to phase 4 from October to December. Hey guys, this is Preston. All right, this is phase 4 of the strategy Trading Made Simple TMS 5 method, and we got a total of 144.66. You can see the graph. It went down and then slowly got some up, and then going into the end, a little dip. We had a couple of good trades on this. This one was fantastic. That was a good one. Now let's look at some of the stats from the strategy tester, and we got this profit factor of 1.12. Our total 144.66. Our drawdown 372, 63, and 35 trades. 37% accuracy. We don't like that, but it's profitable. Trend trading strategies usually have something in that realm. I would say for a trend trading strategy, as I probably said it before, about 42%. Because the market basically usually is in consolidation on a whole 65 to 70% of the time. It only trends around 30 to 35% of the time, so this is right in that range, about 37. So there you go. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the quant analyzer. And the quant analyzer says that we've got 144 yearly return of 5.8%. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the other results together with this one. I just wanted to break in here for a second. In the video, I did not show you what the original TSM that I traded basically made from October to December in 2010, and the improvement. I did not show you that comparison. So right here you see it. The original version made minus $65. All right, and the improved version made 144. That's basically it. Let's get back to the video. To get a total 2010 report on the TMS 5 method. April and July. Those are the 3. And continue. Alright. So we're going to take all 3 of these, mark them off. See, I learned how to use it better. Create a portfolio, and that portfolio comes out with a total of $301. This is the improved method, and as you can see, out of 144 trades, a very low Sharpe ratio. It's still not optimal to the way how I guess they traded on the forum. But as you can see, January a gain, February gain, March gain, April not good, not loss, May a gain, and then all these losses up until November, and then a loss in December. You get $301 for a whole year. Now this is only one currency, all right, but I believe on the on the regular, portfolio TMS 2010. Let's see, portfolios, simple strategies. That's just this one. Okay, so let's take that off. And this one, the portfolio for the TMS came out to be $422 loss. So with the improved method, there was a bit of a gain. Not by much, almost the same amount of trades. 147 trades to the 144. Drawdown on this one was $1,728. The drawdown on this one was $1,211, which is actually this is the more acceptable drawdown but of course with the loss, no good. So with that, I guess I'm going to just leave this strategy. I I guess I'll do a review. But for right now, I'm going to try to live trade this a little bit. You can't really learn a strategy how to basically trade it within a couple of weeks, not even a month. It'll take a while. So I'm going to be messing around with this for a while, and I'll see if I can come up with some new improvements on how to trade it. And with that, I will say knowledge is power, be power hungry, and power to the people. By the way, something that I haven't asked you guys to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me tell you how. Tell me how you like this content. Tell me what I can do to improve what I'm doing here. Power to the people.